Okay, good morning, children. I know that today you have to come to the school for signing your board details. Okay, is that clear? And check your details also. So, without wasting our time, we should start with the chapter. Meanwhile, those who are not attending the classes, they may see the video later on. Please put on a video, all of you. Okay, pay attention. First of all, you take out your history copies and be ready with for writing the conclusion. Everybody of India, lesson 2, nationalism in India, the conclusion was left. So please complete it just now. Okay, conclusion, a growing anger against colonial government. A growing anger against colonial government brought various groups and classes. Various groups. Please put on a video, Anushka, Anshita, Tanishka, Ayush, Yadav, or I'll put you in the waiting room. I'll just make the video and leave it. A growing anger against colonial government brought various groups and classes together. Full stop. The Congress. The Congress under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi. Anushka, now you are waking up from your sleep or what? Anushka, write fast. Growing anger against colonial government brought various groups and classes together. Full stop. Congress under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi tried to channelize people's apostrophe s people's grievances grievances people's grievances into an organized movement organized movement to bring national unity. But each diverse group had its own aspiration and expectations. Expectation, full stop. Next point you may write, freedom also meant different things to different people. Freedom also meant different things to different people. Congress continuously attempted to resolve differences and ensure that demands of one group did not alienate the other. Demands of one group did not alienate another. Full stop. Next point, write however. This national unity often faced disunity, and inner conflicts. Disunity and inner conflicts. Full stop. Okay, this is your conclusion. Okay, now just a minute, all of you. Rimjim, just let me know that where were we in political science? Rimjim.
Ma'am, which is better of the three?
Okay. Which is better of the three? Good. Continue writing over there. Party system evolves. Party system evolves over a long time. Over a long time, depending on the nature of society, its social, regional, and religious divisions. Comma, its history of politics, and its system of elections. Full stop. Chirayu, Anshul, Vedansh, please put on a video. Full stop. Next line. Each country develops a party system. Anshul, what are you doing? That is conditioned by certain circumstances. Anshika, why your video is not on? Supreet Kaur, may I speak to you? Supreet Kaur, can you hear me, madam? What kind of project you have submitted? You are Supreet Kaur. What do you think the teachers are? You can give one paper project and you are going to get marks for that or what? You have not learned in your 9th class what kind of projects you are supposed to submit. Others are fools who are taking so much of trouble. And you people are too smart. Just complete the formality and that's it. And anytime you all can submit your project or what? There was a deadline for that. And please see that your video is on, otherwise you sit in the waiting room. Each country develops a party system that is conditioned by certain circumstances. Full stop. Example. Who's this speaking? Supreet Kaur, what do you want to say? Okay. India, example, India has evolved a multi-party system. Because of the national and geographical diversities. Full stop. As such, comma, no system is ideal. No system is ideal for all countries. Now children, I hope you all are having your books with you all. Books with you all. Keep your books ready because the details of the various parties I'm going to make your mark in the book and you all can do as homework. Is that clear, everybody? Thumbs up for that. Okay, so keep your books ready. Just now write national political parties. National political parties. First point, democracy that follows. Democracies that follow federal system all over the world. Federal system. Democracy that follows federal system all over the world has two kind of parties. Has two kind of parties present. Full stop. Next point. Some political parties. Isha, Anshika, Anshul, again the video is off. Are present in several or all federal units. All federal units are called national oblique countrywide party. National oblique countrywide parties. Full stop. Each party is registered. Each party is registered in election commission. Election commission, which treats all parties equally. Which treats all parties equally, but offer special facilities. But offer special facilities to large and established parties. Large and established parties. Example, they are given a unique symbol. They are given a unique symbol and special privileges. Hence are called recognized, single quotation marks, recognized parties by the election commission. Full stop. Next, third point, some parties are present only in one or two federal units. Units called state parties. Full stop. Next you write the criteria for a party to be recognized. as the criteria for a party to be recognized as A point, state party. State party, put a dash. Parties which secure 6% of total votes in election to legislative assembly, of a state and win two seats is called state party. Next point, national party. 6% of total votes. 6% of total votes in Lok Sabha elections or Vidhan Sabha elections. In bracket you may write LA. In 4 states and, right, underline this word and also. It has to underline or also and underline and also. You should understand the meaning between or and and. Or is a choice and is compulsory. And also it has to win 4 seats in Lok Sabha. 4 seats in Lok Sabha. Full stop. As such, next line, as such, there are 7 recognized parties in India as per 2017. As per 2017. Okay, now refer to your books, all of you children. Just see INC, all of you, and mark whatever I'm reading. If that word is not there, I'll be going a bit slow. You can enter that word, you can write that word. 9th, C, you already know how we are supposed to mark. Is that clear? Okay, be ready. INC, Indian National Congress. Third line, one of the oldest parties in India, comma, make it India, founded in 1885. 1885, leave 4-5 lines. See that word, the ruling party at the center. Got it, everyone? Thumbs up. Keep on showing your thumbs up so that I can understand that you all are getting it.
And page number?
Page number 80. Page number 80. Again, I am repeating. Indian National Congress, one of the oldest parties of India, founded in 1885, comma, founded in 1885, full stop. Ruling party at the center till 1977. Leave 5-10 lines, then you can see. Got it, everyone? Thumbs up. Okay. Ruling party at the center till 1977. And then from 1980 to 1989. 1980 to 1989, full stop, leave again some 3 lines, a centrist party, in bracket, neither rightist nor leftist, in its ideological orientation, comma, believes in, right over there, believes in, espouses there, make it believes in secularism, welfare of weaker sections and minorities. Emerged, leave again few lines, 1 line, emerged as the largest party with 145 members in Lok Sabha elections 2004. Currently, it is the opposition party. Now, all of you pay attention, pay attention. AITC, All India Trinamool Congress, is given in your book or it is not given? So your thumbs up and thumbs down quickly, all of you. All India Trinamool Congress. It's not given. Everybody, please show your thumbs up. Children, don't sleep. Kanishka, Pratishtha, Afzal Sheikh, I think I should put you all in the waiting room. You people can't take the trouble of neither showing put in the waiting room. Afzal Sheikh, you also. Neither their video is on nor they can show the thumbs up and thumbs down. Pratishtha, you also go and sit over there. Put in the waiting room. Anshul Jain, video again and again is off. अच्छा राइट तेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है thumbs up या thumbs down? Okay, since it is not given, so kindly write it down. Write this in your book itself. AITC, All India Trinamool Congress. The space is given to you all. Please see here. The space is given to you all. You may write it down over here, children. AITC in bracket All India Trinamool Congress. Launched on 1st January 1988. Full stop. Afzal Sheikh, again your video is off, so you please again go and sit in the waiting room. तेरे को समझ में नहीं आता. Put in the waiting room. Okay. Launched in 1st January 1988. Full stop. Leadership under Mamata Banerjee. Mamata Banerjee, recognized as a national party in 2016. 2016, full stop. Symbol is flower and grass. Flower and grass, full stop. Supports secularism and federalism. Supports secularism and federalism. It has been, full stop, it has been in power in West Bengal since 2011. Since 2011, it is the 4th largest party in Lok Sabha. 4th largest party in Lok Sabha. Rimjim, tomorrow please remind me that we have to start with BJP, and please be ready with your books because all these party rest, all the parties are given in your book, so we are going to mark in the book itself. Is that clear, everybody? I'm going to stop just now because even you have to get ready. Okay, continue being there.